Meggyleves. Morello cherry soup. A side dish from Hungary. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Stone the morello cherries, then put them to cook together with sugar, salt, lemon peel, and cinnamon. Allow to simmer. Step 2. Meantime, mix in a bowl the flour, egg yolk, and 1 gill of sour cream. Mix with a ladleful of soup, then add to the boiling soup, stirring constantly. Step 3. Finally, mix wine and other half of sour cream and add this to the soup as well. Step 4. After 10 minutes of simmering, put soup aside and let it cool. Take lemon peel and cinnamon out before cooling. Step 5. This soup is excellent when chilled. It can be made from gooseberries, blackberries, raspberries, or red currants, as well as cherries. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.